How to enroll to Woodforest National Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in the home page, in the source bar, you need to search for Woodforest National Bank Sign Up. Now head over to the very first site. It will be landing you on the official page of Woodforest National Bank. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the option of Enroll Now. All you want to do is click on Enroll Now, and it will be landing you on the page where you'll be able to create an account. Enter all the detailed information that has been asked to you, and then tap on Continue. All the information that you have mentioned should be valid and correct, and then only you will be able to proceed to Woodforest National Bank account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.